Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the ways in which Google Analytics can benefit your small companies. Data analytics has become a critical part of running a small business in this age of digital transformation. One of the best ways for businesses to gain insights into their target audience is through Google Analytics. Not only is it a free tool that can be used at scale, it is also very beneficial for small businesses. Here are a few ways Google Analytics can aid in the growth of your business. Number 1. Target your online visitors. With Google Analytics, you can identify which source is driving traffic to your website, the primary point of contact, and the demographics of your audience. You can also derive a comprehensive analysis of your website's traffic rates, conversion, bounce rates, sessions, and similar data. Number 2. Targeted campaigns. Since Google Analytics offers a wide range of metrics related to website traffic, you can easily create targeted campaigns with a particular user segment. Google Analytics even helps you track campaigns, which allows you to make informed decisions regarding content marketing, marketing channels, promotions, offers, and conversion optimization. Number 3. Customized reports. Google Analytics allows you to customize your website's reports, including filtering unwanted or unnecessary insights for improved accuracy. Using this tool, you can view accurate data from specific locations, gender, and age. Number 4. Goal setting and monitoring. Google Analytics allows you to create specific goals depending on business requirements. Once you have set your goals, you can use the tool feature to help monitor your progress. These 4 reasons will help you to reap major benefits to your business, including aiding in growth and scalability. If you want to know more about how Google Analytics can help your business, click over to TechFunnel.com. Also, connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to gather more insights on this and other important topics.